Hello, Miss Interface.
My name is Bunny Pinecone. Hello.
Yes, I am here with the one and only Bunny Pinecone. So actually, today I'm going to be playing Roblox. So, let's get into one of these spicy new games. So let's log in and download this on my PC if it will download.
Hello, and I am Spring Blue.
Yes, Spring Blue is also with me. These are like my best friends. There will be much more of
Spring Blue?
Yeah.
And
so,
Marin, who's right here annoying me. Hello.
So, we are installing Roblox. I have no idea what's wrong with my computer. I've played Roblox so many times, and I haven't needed to install it any of the times. So I think it's going through like a phase where it just needs everybody to install this. Or maybe it's an update. I don't know. I'm pretty weird, right?
Yes, you are. Yes.
I see in your eyes that you do not know how fear overrides. The stars are all of what we hide. Forest. Oh, only, why do you cry?
Okay, so, Spring Bunny, have you ever played Roblox?
No, I have not.
Oh.
Unfortunately. And it's not a Spring Bunny, it's Spring Blue. Why did you forget your friend's name?
Sorry. Okay, so, actually, we're gonna go Roblox. Bunny Pinecone, have you ever played Roblox before?
I have.
Oh.
Like twice.
Well, we're gonna go adopt somebody, so, let's just put in the chat, someone. Someone who wants to be, oh my gosh, it's raining money. Wait, how do you get the money crown? Give me money. What? Shut up, Spring Bunny. Now that time I knew I was saying it wrong. Okay. Well, I need a baby. Come on, people. Just. Okay, I'm gonna go to the playground because I'm a little
so
kid.
Weird when you say I need a baby. Someone give me a child. I'm so desperate.
Yeah.
I'm so lonely. I will die.
Ooh, where?
Loneliness.
Can you be my dad? I can be your mom. I will be your mom. Nobody can see my chat. Okay. Wait, it didn't load. I will be your mom. Now be my kid. I will be... Come on. Me. Me. Come on. Friend me.
Oh.
Friend me.
The girl in the background is so tall. So
Friend.
weird.
Oh gosh, I think she's a
monster.
Yeah. Okay, wait, I'm a teen. Okay, friend me. Yay. Yes. Okay.
Yes. Very weird.
Yeah. Actually,
Yes.
So Meep City is actually not working right now.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's not working, and it's so weird.
Yeah, so actually, I think I'm gonna wrap this video up. Don't forget to like
And subscribe.
Guys, usually
was grounded from Animal Jam for reasons we cannot explain.
Yeah, so I'm going to start doing like different kind of videos. Like next video, I'm going to be reviewing a video on YouTube that I found really funny, and
I found very funny, and I did too.
yeah, both of them will be in the next video, actually. So, look out for that. I know I'm a very small YouTube channel, but, it really means a lot that I get, like, 10, 8, 9, 6, 7, 6, 9, 9, 10, 4, 10, 8,
Yes, we get
31 views.
We get it.
But my first video actually got, like, a lot of views, but it means a lot that my subscribers, I got 88 views. It means a lot that my subscribers view my videos, like them, and comment on them, because I'm a small YouTube channel and it's hard to get views. I've actually gotten 1,002 views altogether on my 90, how many do I have? I think I have 92 videos, and I have 97. Oh, I have 97. So on my 97 views in videos, nice to be able to get views and stuff. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.